So another van going out today. This is in a Vauxhall Vivaro. It's a 500 litre one-man full RO system with auto flush and fill. It's got a 12 volt inline booster pump there as well, so when you switch it on to fill, the 12 volt booster pump will come on. It's all plumbed up to, so it used to have an ionic system in there, so it's plumbed up to the external ports on the side. It's got this little control box here for the electric reel, which you can adjust the speed. It's got soft start, soft stop on there. You can press and wind it in, change the speeds and wind it in by the controller there, or you can use the hoist button there to wind it in. It's got an inline TDS on it as well. As you can see, the footprint of this tank is quite small. It's only the 500 litre. It still gives you well over a metre of floor space in the back there. There's the relay coming up.